Hi guys, I'm feeling very excited today because I will be trying out for the very first time my two-piece wig, a ponytail and a half wig. So let's just get into it. So my half wig will come with either 3 to 4 clips depending on your preference. Yeah, so you use the middle part of the clip and just clip it right below the band that you created. So we are doing a half up and half down hairstyle in just like, well, 5 minutes. No need to sit at the salon. Yeah, so you use the side clips to clip the hair down right just behind your ear. So I was having a bit of a challenge clipping it down because I did not braid my hair behind. But if you want to install this wig, you need to braid your hair behind, or at least just have a cornrow around the perimeters of where you're going to install your wig. I was too excited, I couldn't wait. Finally, we have some success. Yeah, and I'm feeling myself right now, and I'm so excited. So right now we are just going to go ahead and install the ponytail. So your ponytail will come with 1 clip and a drawstring. So you use the same method. You use the front clip and just install it right in front of the band that you created. I was in a hurry. I didn't put a clip on my ponytail, so it fell off later. But your ponytail will come with a hair clip. So once you put it into position, you use your drawstring to just pull it behind. And yep, there you have it. So if you're interested in having this unit, I'll leave all the details in the description and you can be able to hit me up. So I kind of felt that the hair was a bit too full, so I decided to pack it up in a bun. So you can use some hair clips to make it more secure, but for me I didn't need them because I thought I did a great job just installing that. So there you have your hairstyle in just 5 minutes. See you next time.